Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. The process is similar for Android and as well as iOS device, so you don't need to worry. If you are on Android, first make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected simply open up your Snapchat app. So here we go, and once this is open simply go to your profile icon at the top left corner, that is your display icon as well. Once here simply go and tap on this setting here at the right top corner. This would open up settings. Now simply scroll down below and under the support you can tap on I need help. Tap on this and it would take a bit of a time to load it, so simply wait. Once here scroll down below and go to my account and security. Tap on this. Under this now tap on account information. Now at the bottom second last you can see delete my account. Don't worry, we will be deactivating your account, so you need to go and tap and delete my account. And once here you need to go to accounts portal, so you have a blue link, so simply go and tap an accounts portal. And once here you need to read this. All it says, your account will be deactivated, which means friends will not be able to contact you on Snapchat. After 30 days your account will be deleted. So in this case of Snapchat, if you want to temporarily deactivate your account, so this is the only way. So the way is you simply go into your password and tap on continue, and your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days it will be automatically deleted. So you need to log in back within 30 days to make sure that your account is deactivated. You can repeat the cycle as many times as you want, but you need to relog and within 30 days to make sure that your account is not deleted. So read this all, and if you are comfortable with that, simply go and enter your password and tap on continue, and your account will be deactivated for 30 days. If you do not relog into your account within 30 days, your account will be deleted. So you need to be careful for that. So hopefully it was help to you in deactivating your Snapchat account on iPhone as well as Android. So this is the way how you can deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. Thanks for watching this video.